Good morning, everybody. Welcome, my Benzinga family. We have the Chinese death cross in Bitcoin this morning, whatever that means. We'll see what happens. We got some, thank you. What happened in Torch? Yeah, all right. Again, in Torch, you want to be long a little bit, that's fine. Good morning, everybody. 18,000, my target too, yes. So we're short a little Mara this morning to see if we get a continuation down in the Bitcoins. We had a great, I don't know if you guys were with us yesterday. I think you were. ASAN, we did a swing trade. We were short at $60. It was up 5 days in a row and had a 90 RSI. So a bunch of people in the room came in short ASAN this morning. It is down $4. Beautiful. Good evening from Sydney, Australia. Excellent. Facebook, 334.40. That's a good short if we get there. Yes. Alf. YN, you had a little short in ASAN? Nice. Good job over there in Benzinga. AMC's on the radar if we can get a smackdown. Wish is on the radar if we can get a smackdown. X is strong early. All right. Grab a little, Ken. We'll see what happens. Mara, if we get around 25, we'll take a quick 75 cents out of it if it goes in that direction. All right. That's fine. Still sitting short in ASAN. Okay. I mean, we said to cover between 56 and 54. That's a 30 to 50% retracement. Between 56 and 54. Do you like Fubo? All right, Ken, should I grab a little Fubo? Let's see what happens. Fubo looks good if you grab a little. I'm looking at Wish down at 12 and change. 12 and change. Wish. Plug Power had earnings. Give that a few minutes to set up. It's a bloody mess right now. I hear you, Ken. Yes, TRCH. A couple of people along at 10 in the room with a real tight stop. See what happens. Fubo. I don't know. Let's wait for Fubo. I mean, you know, it just went up $1. I would wait. Coin bouncing. Keep a tight eye on Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin reclaims 30,000. Then it kind of held the double bottom, triple bottom. GameStop could be, Dana, a little grab right now. Could be, but keep it very tight if you're going to do it. Yes. Smith & Wesson had a great day yesterday. See if you get followed through this morning. Again, kind of that's hanging here. I wouldn't worry about stop orders in anything we have out there, guys. But Mara, if we get it down at 22.70, that's going to be a far from moving average trade. We will run in and grab a bunch if it gets down there. Same thing with AMC. AMC 51.70 is a big level. So we'll watch that far from moving average out of the gate too. If it spikes down $3 from here. What do you think is the best price to sell is on AMD? If you long it? I don't know. AMD's kind of dead this morning. Got a little 84 would be a good spot if you're long. 84 would be a good spot. Crimson and Clover. Crimson and, yeah, maybe a little Crimson and Clover here. at 1160. Bitcoin ripped right up, right? Well, Mara was a cover at 25, so we can cancel 2270. That ain't happening. Cancel that. We're going to add a 2610 is fine. ASAN, I hope everybody got out. That was the spot. Right around 55. Nice. Yeah, I mean, Fubo was a little grab off the opening. See what happens now. Let it set up, guys. AMC's coming in. Need that 5170. All right, cancel this in AMC. We'll see if it gets to 5170 first. Coin. Big bounce. Cancel that. Cancel Neo. Torch. Dead. Up, down, sideways. Nothing to do. All right, we're in the trend trade in Mara now. I'm just going to leave that. We'll see what happens. Not too worried about it. Fubo. Wow. Yep, Fubo was the one to buy on the opening. All right. Again, let's look for a buy in Fubo. 33.45 is a spot. That could have been a little short. 35, definitely a short in Fubo if we go in that direction. Out AMC for $175. Very nice. Good. AMC bouncing. I don't want to look at NVIDIA. What's it up? $20? Yep. $20 in NVIDIA. Oh, no. All right, well, we're definitely short in Fubo at 35, guys, if we go in that direction. And we can put a bid in at 32.20 in Fubo on the buy side. 32.20, short at 35 for a trade. Both sides. Good. Cancel Wish, cancel Torch. I think we can probably cancel AMC. I'll leave it for a minute. Roku. Holy mackerel. 391 was the short in Roku. Look at that. It missed it by 30 cents, Roku. Wow. Out of the gate. Very nice. Pow. Yeah, it didn't hit. Clove could be a buy, guys, on a pullback now. CLOV. All right, guys. Everybody out of ASAN. That was beautiful down at $56.55. That's it. We made our trade. In, out, up, down, done. Very nice. Yeah, Clove's a better buy on if we can get a pullback. Obviously. 1180 Clove. Mara. Yeah, it's hanging out. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to stay with this Mara. I mean, I'll add a little bit of 2680 in Mara. I just think Bitcoin's going lower at some point. So I'm not going to worry about Mara. Short Clove. Short Clove at 1280. That works for me if you can short Clove. You got to do a little size. AMC. All right. 5170 AMC. If we get there, we'll look for a green bar and we'll add to it. That'll be down $2.50. Do it. Do it right now. Don't bounce. Don't you bounce. Yes, 5170 is a far from moving average trade if we get there. But, of course, it just bounced. Fubo's not really a short here. It's a better buy. We need a pullback in Fubo. AMC bounced. You son of a beeswax. What do you got in Myrna, Sal? Looks like a better buy. Sono. Yeah, I know, Rick. We didn't get that. Dump Bitcoin to 20,000 on the Bears are in control. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Splunker. Splunker's just sitting on the highs and everything. I don't see it. Myrna, 212.80. Yes, Myrna's a better buy, 212.80. I like it. I like it. I like it. Sono. AMC's coming in again. Come on, just do it. Let's see. Do it, do it, do it. Again, we're going to go far from moving average. If AMC hits 51.70, it's a marker. Then we'll wait for a green bar. I'll say when. If we get down there, I think it go to 49.70 too. So do it, please. Sono $30 would be perfect. It's not going to happen. I will, Zena. I will. But it's bouncing again. Fubo. All right. We like Fubo, guys, right? 32.20. That is the early trend. 32.20, 32.10. Come on, AMC, you piece of dog poo-poo. Kiss him, Mike Tookus. That was it. Cancel the short in Fubu. We want to buy Fubu at 32.20. All right. Bought the wish tip. 13.22, you get a little wish. That looks okay. Very good. I hate you, GameStop. That would have been our day right there, guys. All right. SQ, setting up for a better buy than sell. Yes. Yes. Tesla. Holy mackerel. 632 short Tesla, guys. Sold Roku from yesterday for $20. Nice. Yeah, Tesla 632 could be a short. I mean, it would be up $7, but now it looks like a better buy. NEO going with it. Yes. NEO 47.50 short. I like that. NEO. It's not going to get there. Now GameStop AMC's coming down there. Taking forever to get there. 49.70 in AMC now. I like a little bit better, guys. Let's have that out just in case. 49.70. Full trade. Full trade. Workhorse. 14.50 try. What? Long, short? Workhorse? You want to buy Workhorse? 14.50? All right. Workhorse 14.50 with Solly. If you like it. Wish. You got in at 13.23. Sell half, hold half, Bill. Sell half, hold half. You got a 50-cent trade. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. Yep. Raise your stop up to like 13.70 now. Lock in a nice profit. Very nice. Good job, good job, good job. Good job. A lot of people didn't have to trade this morning from the ASAN, which is good. Being that there's not a whole lot of anything going on anyway right now. Bitcoin coming in again. Crowd 246. Yes, crowd's a buy. Peloton. And give me some levels. I don't see it. At 112.23, otherwise it's a buy. All right, guys, in Mara, We sold some at 26.10. We're going to cover that back here at 70, 40-cent profit. We'll stay short the other amount. That one really worked on the trend line. Yeah, I mean, if Bitcoin breaks the lows, we're off to the races to the downside. Yes. If it breaks the lows. AMC dead. Beyond. What are you doing in Beyond? You're buying 149. All right. BYND. I like it. Let's put a little Beyond, but we'll do the trend. 148.50 small. Wish is breaking 14. All right. That's good. You want it to break 14. That's fine. Go, baby. Now just keep raising up your stop in Wish. Okay? Keep raising your stop in Wish. Your target can be 15 to get out of the whole trade, which is what I would do if it gets there. DKNG. Yeah, could be a better buy than sell, but nothing right here in DKNG. I got some SQQQ at 990. Okay, that's fine. AMC is a short, guys. If we get up to a level, right? That does not look good. GameStop. Yeah, we could try very small at 209.30 GameStop. But, you know, don't risk much. 209.30. I'll do 25 shares. Want it fast, too, in GameStop. Risk $1. 209.30. Good. You're still short Mara? Yeah, I covered half at 70 in Mara because we added to it at 26.10. So, yes. Boeing's not a long. Neo. Nah, you can try a little Neo here at 46. But 45.23 would be a real good spot in Neo. 45.23. Alf. Alf, you bought a little at 9.15. All right. I don't mind that. 870 is the next spot in Alf. 870. And again, you know, be a little careful on that one. Sometimes the bloom gets off the rose in these things, and that's it for the day. But let's try small at 870 in Alf. We'll add at 820. 870, very small. We added 820. GameStop come close, guys. I think it did. Damn. I think GameStop came close. Certainly did. All right, cancel that for now. Kind of like it at 205 better. Mara, guys, if we get $1 down to 25, I think we take it off, right? That worked out very nicely. The Mara short. WKHS. Again, there's not a lot of movement in WKHS, but 1430 could be a little spot, but not a lot of movement. Where to enter Wish on the buy side now? 1350 Wish is a good spot. Which one, Rick? Really? What's really rich? Am I shorting AMC? If it rallies up to a trend line, we're going to short AMC. Boy, GameStop would have been great, guys. We just missed it. Jeez Louise. Beyond, we didn't miss by much. Cancel that for now. Look at GameStop, guys and gals. I mean, really? Couldn't give it to us? It's up $4. Very strong stock. Myrna. Dead. Plug. Plug power. Yeah, Plug we want to buy on a pullback, guys. You want to buy some Plug at 31.30. I like that. What's Fubo doing? We are using Think or Swim for our charting. Imp. and I trade with Interactive Brokers. So what you're seeing up here is Interactive Brokers. It's my real trading account, $27,000 in it. All right. Let's trade Mara like we would a trend trade. Let's buy half at 25.05. Okay. Try to stay in it longer. Some people have 500-600 shares of Mara. They're killing it. Killing it from the short at 26 and change. Well, let's see if Bitcoin breaks here, guys. I do not like ETHE here. I think ETHE can go to $12. I'm being honest with you. Yep. I think Bitcoin could go to 18,000. So I am not in a hurry. Alfie's hanging out here. I like that 870 small. AMC. Bouncy bounce. Cancel that for now. Fubo. Get out the popcorn. How many people do we have visiting us with in Benzinga that are actively day trading the markets? Actively day trading. Give me a 1. Powell speaking at 2 o'clock today. Yes. Yeah, Roku could be a short at 400. All right, good. Mara, we covered a little more. Very nice. So we just made over $1 in Mara. Anyone get the Mara short with us in Benzinga? All right. 26.10 was the spot. Look at this thing now. Boom. Julian, you're short. Lisa, you're short. Excellent. Excellent. 25.70. All right, good. So we just covered half at 25. Let's see what the next move is. ALF and VISL. Yeah, ALF, we'll do a little at 870, and then we'll add at 825 in ALF. I like that, but keep it small. What's a YGMZ? I didn't take my own Mara trade. Oh, Kenny. That was the best one of the day, right? Just had to be a little bit patient. YGMZ, I bought at 5. What should I do with it? Take 2 and hit the left. I don't know. If you like YGMZ long term, it doesn't trade. I would add some at $4. All right, guys, I still like Fubo here. All right, we got a little Fubo at 32.20. Good. Let's see what happens. We got 31.81 in Fubo, so I'm not going to panic out of Fubo. We'll buy a little more at 31.81. That is the trend, so don't panic out of this one. We're going to sell a little bit if we get to 32.40. For trade. I put money in the bank. Oh, good. I just bought more. I do this all the time. They got up to 32.40. Sell a little at 32.40. Sell. There we go. All right. We sold a little Fubo at 32.40. Let's see what the next move is. You're in GameStop? You're in GameStop. Where are we in GameStop? Ooh, 209 and change? Wow, nice. 209.30 GameStop. Just gave you $2. Boom. Excellent. All right, selling another 25 shares of Fubo here, guys. Sold another 25 shares of Fubo. 55. Let's put a little bit out at 32.60, just in case we get a bouncer. 32.59 Fubo, guys. 32.59, and then we'll hold on to a little bit. 32.59. Wow. You got $2 out of GameStop, guys. How'd you get stopped in FUBU? It's impossible. Couldn't get stopped at FUBU. Nah, the trade was GameStop. That was the trade. Boom. Down to a little bit now in FUBU, guys. Nice trade. Boom, chaka-laka laka. But, guys, we posted this GameStop at 209.20. And it gave you a $2 trade. Yeah, we'll raise our stop up in FUBU to 35 now, so we don't lose money. 35 stop in FUBU. AMC. 49.20 was the daily AMC. It's actually 49.80 is daily in AMC. So let's have a little marker out there. AMC. 49.80. I'm just doing a marker. It'll probably be a far from moving average trade down there. Yeah, market's coming in now. 49.80. On. Off a moving average. All right, what are we doing in FUBO? All right, let's raise our stop up to 40 in FUBO. The market's coming in a little bit here. I'm going to take the FUBO and run. We'll move on. Move on in FUBO, guys. It was a good trade. Let's see what the next order is. AMC just bounced, you son of a beeswax. I mean, GameStop was the holy grail. Yeah, we made a couple of bucks in FUBO. GameStop was the one. I hope it breaks. You guys got $2 on GameStop over there? Excellent. Excellent. Yeah, cancel out for now. Nothing going on. Coin, where do you think the bottom is? Bitcoin breaking 29,000. All right. Let it break. Still short a little Mara, guys, right? Everybody still short a little Mara? I think we can see 18,000 in Bitcoin. Bulls, bears, and pigs, those. Mara, we're going to cover at 24.60, and then we'll look for another level if it gets there. All right, everybody, get flat Mara at 24.60 if we go in that direction. Coin, Roku, AVXL. Let me look at Coin. Let me look at AMC. Again, AMC's bouncing now. 49.80 is the spot. We'll take a look. I think Kathy Wood bought more Coin this morning. Yes, Coin, 206, guys. That's a far from moving average trade. Sorry for moving fast for everybody here. It's been a very active, very good morning so far, especially with the swing trade in ASAN. Home run. A home run ski. FUBO, I'd like to see break down more here, guys. And then we'll get back in, right? How about 31.25 in FUBO? That I really like. I don't think it'll happen, but if the market gets weak, it could. 31.25. So for everybody who's visiting with us, how many people we got watching us in Benzinga right now? I'm not feeling the love. I am not feeling the love. Wow, Clove, nice breakout. Yes. Very nice out of consolidation. So Clove 14 could be a little short. I don't know how much I want to short a $14 stock, though. It's a better buy, Clove, on a pullback. End of story. It's just a better buy. Yeah, I'm not feeling the love. That's all right. Igor, you don't love me? All right, we want to buy Clove on a pullback, guys. AMC's not doing anything. I like to see GameStop break these lows and give us an opportunity lower, right? That would be nice. Solly, what are you doing today? I haven't heard from you. Roku, gosh, if we can buy that. Jeez Louise. You're going to short Roku at $400 for a trade. I like it. Again, I hate fighting these shorts when I want to be long, but 400 would be really stretched out. Torchlight is getting torched. Yeah, stay away from that thing for now. Manu, we have new courses we're going to talk about. Forget about Investopedia. That thing's 20 bucks old, 5 years old. We'll talk before we get out of here. I have a new course. I'm going to invite all you guys to hang out with us for the rest of the week in my room for a free trial. Next week is our boot camp. We don't have any visitors. Let's try to find some more trades before we start talking about that stuff. Yeah, but we sold most of our FUBU up here anyway. So, whatevs. It's not doing much. Neo. I mean, Neo didn't get to anywhere, and it's bouncing 20 cents. So, I don't know. I don't know. Crowd far from moving average. It's getting there, crowd. I mean, we got a spot. 255 crowd, you can short. 255. That would be a nice short in crowd. Yeah, I mean, plugs could be setting up for a nice trender now. PLLG, right? We'll see if close can actually hold on to gains today. Well, let's try getting in on a trend, right? 1270, 1240, Clove. I believe for today. 1270, 1240. So 1270, very small. We'll add at 1240. $12.70 Clove, adding at 1240 if we go in that direction. We can really add if it gets to 1240 and holds. Crimson and Clover over. All right, cancel FUBU. Cancel coin. Mara bounce. Let's leave that. AMC bounce. Forget about that. All right, ladies and germies. Take a breath, right? Alf has a big gap. Let's look. Yeah, I don't know. I want to show you guys why we did the ASAN swing trade yesterday, and most people got $3 to $4 out of it. Look at this. 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, 4 days. 90 RSI. When something's up 4 days in a row and it gives you a 90 RSI, it's going down. And we had our pivot point at 60 is where we shorted it. And boom, chaka-laka-laka. That is the definition of a reversal swing trade. WKHS. I am in at 1450. Should I get out? Hey. I am in at 1450. I mean, I'd probably add a little bit at 14. Try to average a little bit. Soxel is dead, guys. FUBO. Yeah, I mean, FUBO, I guess we can go 31.85 to start in FUBO. You guys like that? That'll be straight down $1, right? I kind of like that. We got 31.85 and 31.22. You know what? Let's just be patient. It's been a decent morning. Let's go 31.25 in FUBO. And we can size up if it gets there. Wish, buy level. I mean, Wish, if it holds 13.50 right here, it's a buy. I love 12. I don't think we'll ever see that, but 12 would be a great spot. Sava, what are you in small, guys? You can try a double bottom Wish. What are you in small? Wish? I hate Sava, guys. Sava to me is like NVIDIA. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. But 81.80 if you're going to trade it. But I'm not a Sava guy. Not for me. I know, Jeremy. It's just like NVIDIA to me. I can't do it. Everything seems to be pulling back a little bit, guys. Yeah. Well, see what happens. We're also slowing down. Yeah, Nick, I'm not looking that far out in CRSR. Not for me. Alf breaking out a little bit. All right, there you go, Alf. Very nice. Yeah, I mean, Alf was a buy at 920, guys. It never broke this trend, right? It's up $1 and change from there. Holy mackerel. Nice. Can we short Alf? Alf would be a nice short if we get to 1164. Far from moving average crowd. I don't know what the spread is in crowd, but I mean, you got a nice regular short here at 255.20 in crowd. 255.20. All right. You can look for the far from moving average. Alf just got halted. 10% move up. There you go. Okay. All right. Shorting crowd at the pivot point. It's an all-time high in crowd. Wow. Yeah, you could try a little crowd short here, right? 255.10, but I want it to go fast. If it doesn't go fast, don't do it because it's a better buy. And you probably just sort of top there. You sold too early in what, Alf? Why? Did nothing but go up from there. Why? I am in it during the halt. What do I do now? Hang out, Jet. What price are you in it from? I'll tell you where it's looking to open. Oh, you don't have an indication yet. You're in at 915 and 950. I wouldn't worry about it. But do this, guys. You know, put orders into sell at 1150. All right, have something out to sell, you know, a little bit at 11, a little bit at 1150. Yeah. Have some orders out, guys. This way, if it spikes up again, you'll sell some more. Okay. Clover. Yeah, Clove, we could buy a little at 12.45 on a pullback. Mara gave $2, but didn't hit the pivot. Yeah. All right, we're going to add to our short in Mara, guys, if we get back to 25.55 because we're down to an odd lot. We're going to add to this at 25.55, Mara. Get back in on the trender. Chaka-laka-laka. You can try a little Mara 25.50 to start, KK, short. Small. Alf in 102 shares and out. Guys, you got GameStop for $9. Oh, my God. Nice job, Casey. I mean, that was a beautiful spot. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Yeah, people tell me my room is expensive. How about when you make $9 on a trade? I don't have a level to short GameStop. I mean, the double top in GameStop is 221. So a double top in GameStop could work. Right? You made $900 in that, Casey? Holy mackerel. That's a beautiful thing. Maybe double top in GameStop, 221. AMC Rippy Dippy too, guys. I am glad to see all of my Benzinga people having a good day with us today. That is excellent. Very happy. Guys, don't forget, Benzinga Pro is the schnizzle. Everybody should be signed up with Benzinga Pro. I mean, we couldn't trade without that, guys. Just had a huge lesson in the Fubo trade. AMC is shorted a little on the 65. Or you got long, I don't know. Just had a huge lesson in the Fubo trade. What lesson? Take your profits? Get out? The room will pay for yourself if you pay attention. Oh, no question, JP. Today it certainly did for everybody. No doubt about it. Today was a spectacular day so far, especially with our overnight trade. AMC buy. No, AMC was just set up for a short on our trend line. Didn't quite get there, but I mean, if we go sideways now here in AMC, maybe we've seen the worst, but we needed to go sideways for a little bit now. We need a little sideways consolidation. Overstock. Igor, what do you need help with? Help you. Help you. Yeah, Bitcoin's not rallying much here. Clove bounced. Yeah, you stink, Clove. You know, I wanted to kind of go to the 1 minute Clove, but I don't know. We got burnt doing that yesterday. So what's the word on Wish? The word on Wish is no trade. That's the word on Wish. There's nothing to do. It's dead right now. 1205 would be a spot. Have a good day. You leaving already, Alush? Oh, you're in Australia. Yes. Roku's definitely a trend trade on a pullback, guys. Torch, Spike, TRCH, Spike. Spike. Torch just spiked up $1, but I mean, it didn't give us a level to do anything at. Right? It's kind of sat there and did nothing. Nick, we don't guarantee anything in here. We don't pump stocks. We are traders. All right? I wish you the best of luck, and I hope you make a shitload of money in CRSR. I do. But it's just not our thing. That's all. I think if it gets above 33, it could be really good in CRSR. That would be the breakout, Nick. So above 33.12, I think you're right. It's got a lot of room to go up. But we don't pump stuff in here. It's just not what we do. We trade. We're in. We're out. Sometimes we do swing trades. We made 4 points on one yesterday. That's what we do. So we try to make a couple of bucks every day. Can we move Mara to the 9? Let me look. Nah, let's just hang out in Mara. See what happens. I like the 25.50. That's fine. AMC is strong now. There we go. That's why we didn't short it on the trend. All right. Let's try a little AMC short, though, at 54.40. I guess Bitcoin's bouncing a little. I mean, not Bitcoin, just this thing. So we'll try a regular moving average trade in AMC up $3 at 54.40. And this could be setting up for a better buy now. We'll see. But I know I didn't want to short it here unless it breaks down below again. But we'll see what happens. Naked. N-A-K-D. Naked we don't talk about. Okay. Let me tell you something about Naked. This is another one that everybody and Joe Mama was pumping the stock. And now it's not going to be worth anything. But whatever. We don't talk about stocks like that. We don't trade stocks like that. We don't care. Mitchell, good question. Sometimes we have 5, 6 trades. Sometimes we have no trades. Imagine sitting here all day and not trading. But we only trade when something sets up for us to do based on our technical analysis. Today happened to be a very good morning. A lot of trades set up. Yesterday wasn't so great. Not that many trades set up. Lazar on the daily 200. I don't like Lazar. I think it's a better short. Should I hold Wish? Where are we in Wish, guys? What do you say, 1350? Yeah, it's hanging out. You're okay. I mean, I don't know if you're okay, but I wouldn't panic out and sell it. No. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. GameStop, good trend trade? Yeah, it sure as shit is now. I mean, GameStop went up $10 from our 200 EMA. Is that whack? I don't think we're getting Fubo. Let's cancel that bad boy for now. Give AMC a minute. Still can't short. Yeah, you don't want to short these anyway when they get going. Yeah, I don't trust Torch, guys. I don't trust Torch. I don't know. I just don't like it. Thank you, Mr. Crane. Well, I'd like to know how many people are watching us today and how many people are enjoying what they're seeing and how many people want to hit the like button for us. Yes, Splunk looks great. You know, if it spikes up above 140, it's good. How is Rule 0002? I've learned so much just by watching these last couple of weeks. I'm saving up to buy the class. Excellent now. Cool beans. I love it. Yeah, the live boot camp that we're doing next week is the shizzle. I mean, that's when I go over my entire course. Live in my room. I mean, Clove's just good, guys. It's just freaking good. Wow. Holy Alf. Again, there was no reason to sell Alf, guys. There was no reason if you got in Alf to sell it anywhere. There just wasn't. Yeah, I hear you, Buffalo. And again, you know, let's put an Alf 1025 as a spot to be long. 1025, we want to be long Alf. Well, Don, you got to follow the rules, right? Especially in a $9, $10 stock. Why would you take 20, 30 cents in a $9 stock? Matthew made his month with Alf. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. Torch 989 will reach $1.70 in 1 hour. In 1 hour, MB. All right, so we got people guaranteeing things are going up 20%, and now we got something that's going to happen in 1 hour. I love it. I love it. Devery, we'll talk about all that before we get out of here today. Let's try to find a couple more trades. Kip King, I don't know what Rule 002 is. I joined your course, Technical Analysis. It's easy and awesome. Excellent. Yeah, I mean, the course we're getting together tomorrow night also, guys. Remember, anyone who purchased the course, we're switching to tomorrow night rather than Thursday night. Everybody keep that in mind. Yeah, I don't like Neo here. 44 is a spot for Neo. 44 is a spot. Does Alf have options, guys? Let's see if Alf has any options. We're probably a day late and $1 short. Nope. No options in Alf. But of course. No, just this week for Wednesday night, guys. Just this week. They're buying back 25% of the stock. Well, that could mean a couple of things, right? Maybe they want to go private. That's what that could be. Clove has options. Let's look. Yeah, again, Clove. I feel like we're late to the game in Clove. But let's see. Crimson. The 15s are going to be like 70 cents. They're $1. Yeah, that's expensive to me. I mean, maybe for a trade, though. Maybe for a trade. What's the market doing? Yeah, I'm going up a little. AMC, dead. GameStop. GameStop looks like a buy. Buyback price for Alpha 1710. All right. I got stuck yesterday in AMC. Where are you in from? In AMC. I had a stop in Alf, and it wouldn't let me set sell orders without canceling the stop. As soon as it opened, I got stopped out before it went back up. Yeah, there's a way to take care of that. Who's writing on my screen? Come on. Stop writing on my screen. I'm sure it was me. No, it can only be me, guys. All right. AMC, I think, is going up also. So, I don't know. Everything's rallying. What price are you in AMC, guys? Let's put a shorty in AMC at 55.70. That would be really stretched. I can't short AMC? Oh, I had 54.40. No wonder. Oh, I left my order in at AMC at 54.40. All right. I'll try to cover half at 54.30. Not crazy about this. If you shorted the AMC at 40 by mistake, or you didn't cancel in time, just put out 54.10. We'll take 30 cents on it if we can. Have a break-even stop. 54.10 break-even stop. In AMC, in AMC, in AMC. Stays above 54.40. It's going higher. I just couldn't cancel it in time. Well, that's all right. See what happens. Maybe we'll get 20 cents out of the trade by accident. 900 shares of AMC at 31. Oh, that's good. Keep selling calls. That's fine. I love it. Apes pulling money from crypto. Could be. Yeah, Bitcoin's trying to get going a little bit. Mara will still... All right, cancel the Mara. We're not getting that trend. Clove trend trade. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Jeremy. I'm not too crazy about the short in AMC, so I'm out. I tried to get out break even. Son of a beeswax. All right. We will short AMC, though, at 55.70. Boom. That we're doing. $55.70 AMC short. 58.40 AMC from yesterday. Nah, I like 55.70 for a short. Will Doge continue to fall? I have no idea. Get ready for the Clove drop. All right, Clove. What do we got? 13.12 and 12.80. Clove. 13.12. Let's do a little Clove. Small at 13.12. We'll add at 12.80. $13.12 Clove. I like AMC at 55 and change. It's good. Doge is a dog. Doge. Nice job, Jake. So we got 13.12 and 12.80 in Clover, Crimson and Clover. Crimson and Clover. Alf 1043. Let's look. Yeah, 1050 Alf. Let's do that. I like that. Good. Got to be careful that these things don't halt, so that's why we just do small amounts. It's actually 1070. Alf. Crimson and clover, over and over. Crimson and clover. Now we're losing volume and everything now, too. All right, we're slowing down. Roku still 400? How many times are you going to put that one up there, right, before it hits? All right, Alpha's good. Clover's good. Get rid of that. Still like the short in AMC. ALF. Yes, we'll buy a little ALF at 1070 if we get a pullback. Clover. Crimson and clover. I like the clove too, so let's leave those out. I like the short in AMC also. Fabian, we don't talk about penny stocks in here. Just not our thing. I'm not downing them or saying they're not good, but it's just not our thing. We don't do it. Yes, if we get Clove at 13.12, we'll add at 12.90. Yes. Yes. We're not getting either of them. You don't think. I cancel AMC. That ain't happening either. Do I know someone who has a solid strat for penny stocks that I can look up? I don't know anybody that's ever had a solid strat for penny stocks. How about that? It's just my personal opinion. Yeah, I'd like to get Clove on the 9 EMA if we can. We're bidding. We will try it. Jordan Belfort, yes. Just listen to whatever Jordan Belfort says. Yes. He's the man. Splunk's just been slow and steady all day. Yes. Tell you this much. When I was working on the floor at the New York Stock Exchange, we made Jordan Belfort look like a Boy Scout. Well, Mara's coming our way again. We want to cover our Mara? We'll just stay in the trend. Thing looks like crap. I'll tell you what. Let's go 24.10 in Mara. We'll take $2 off our last little thing. Goes to 24.10. We'll buy it back. Otherwise, we'll just hang out. You guys still short in Mara, right? You guys wanted to be in a trend trade that maybe we can make $2 in. Well, here comes a go. Here we go. How come you didn't get a movie and he did? I was in. Whatever. I was in the second Wall Street. I was in both Wall Street movies. So, Alf. All right, we're good. 1070. And we'll add at 1022. So 1070 small is good. Crimson and clover. Over and over. Pretty busy morning, right, guys and gals? My room, guys. How is everybody doing in our room today? Everybody should be green, right? Give me some ones for the greens in my room, please. Everybody should be. Yeah. Little green, little green, little green, little green, little green, little green. Well, Myrna just hit the 9 at 214.60. Joe's got a big one going today on the upside. Excellent. Swing day, no scalps. All right, Ted. Did you have the ASAN short with us? That was just perfect. In Splunk. SPLK. All right, Dane. That's been nice all day. Greg's got a half a lot. Everyone else is making money. Good, guys. Excellent. Who's putting the video trend trade up there? You really want to get kicked out of the room? Joe? Must I? GameStop could be an uptrend now, right? We just went to what? 225 in GameStop? 217 could be a spot in a buy in GameStop now. 217. Made 18 bucks on GameStop. There you go. Boom chakalaka laka. Yeah, I don't know if these things are setting up for trends on the upside now, but they look like better buys, AMC and GameStop. Yes. They both look like better buys. I don't even want to short AMC on the 200 now. I think that can go back to 57.35. Yeah, NVIDIA was good yesterday, right? We said 721 in NVIDIA yesterday, Oliver. Right? Of course, I would never trade it, but 721 was a really good spot in NVIDIA yesterday. Labu. Yeah, Labu's hanging. Looks like a better short than buy. Wish. Yeah, again, Wish is dead. You know, nobody cares anymore. Jimmy crack corn and nobody cares. What's our Crimson and Clover doing? Crimson and Clover. Over. All right, let's do this in Clove. We got our 1312 out. And 1295. I want Clove fast, too. So we're doing both. We'll do small at 13.12 and 100 at 12.95, and then see if we get a bounce off the trend. If we even get there. Up 45K in Alf. Well, you certainly don't need any help. Nice job. Nice job, Mike. I love it. I love when people make money. DDD is definitely a... Ooh, DDD getting stretched, right? Yeah, look at that. Let's see what we got in DDD. We got any... No, ripped off the daily. Yeah, we got nothing. Let's look. That's only 10 cents in DDD. It's already got a 90 RSI. And it just gave it a 35.10. I don't know. I'd rather be long. I would rather be long. First time I size up in a day trade, I'm glad it was green when I found the problem. That got my attention. All right, Buffalo. Igor, lend me 100. Igor, I'll lend you 100 if you really need it, all right? If you really need it, I will lend you 100. Give me your Venmo. All right, let's see if we can get into this Clove trend trade. Get a little bit more of a pullback. A little bit more. What are you going to do with $100? That's the question. Not going to get you very far. It's not going to get you very far. All right, we're starting to slow down on everything now, right? Losing volume. I feel attacked. Mara. Short at 20. Yeah, we can add back to our Mara at 25.25 if you want. That's fine. Leaving green for the day. Excellent. Well, I can tell you this. Oh, plug is nice. Yeah, I mean, plug hit the trend and they're just ripped up. Short at 33.80 in plug. I can tell you this, guys and gals. If you are borrowing money, if you are doing this to pay your bills, and this is your only source of income, you might be in the wrong business. This should be done with discretionary funds that aren't going to take away from your family and pay your bills. That's what I tell everybody. All right. Cancel Mara. Cancel Clove. Clove, let's just go to the trend at 12.95. I like that. Alf. Going to 10.50 in Alf. It's conservative time now. Now we be patient. Let things set up. And trend in Alf is 10.48. That's where we're going. Boom. That's excellent, Terry. I love it. What I'm saying is, guys, yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying, Dave. I don't want you borrowing money to do this. It's hard enough to do without having that kind of pressure on you. GameStop 218 could be a little spot. And 217. Let's go 217 in GameStop small. I like that. GameStop 217 VWAP. I'll be down $10 from where we just were. Do it fast. Chaka-laka-laka. I know, Igor. I know. I'm an investor with $5. What stock has a good entry point? Well, GME has a good entry point at 217. Alf has a good entry point at 1050. Clove has a good entry point at 1297, which is not going to happen, so let's cancel that. Keep in mind, guys, it is a summer Friday. I mean, it's a summer Tuesday. It's 10:35, and this market is losing all volume already. So there we go. This is what happens after an hour in the market, 99% of the time. Why can't I get rid of closed positions on here? It doesn't matter. Market's going up again. PayPal ripping. Is Bitcoin ripping here a little bit on the upside? Yep. Yep. Yeah, Alf bouncing around that 1085 level. Again, I want it to pull back a little bit more if we're going to get involved. Clove. All right, let's get Clove out. What do we got? 1295? 1280? Clove. All right. Any bit of Clove at 1295. Actually, let's just go to 1280 in the Clove. 1282. We'll buy some. Yeah, if you got 1295, see what happens. Yeah, 1295 was the spot. Again, sometimes these things now in the afternoon, they just kind of slow down and then they're just done for the day. You know what I mean? So, and we've seen like the other one the other day, whatever that one was, just kept going lower from there. So I wouldn't be in a hurry anymore, guys and gals. I think we made our money for the morning. I don't know. I think we'd be patient now. I'll cancel Clove. Let it do its thing. Again, if you're in Clove right here, that's fine. Hang out. I think you're good. You know, you got into 1295. Sell some at whatever, 1315. Put a little money in the bank. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Right? Sell a little at 1315. Bring your stop up to break even and let it rip. It's fine. Yeah, GameStop bounced. You're welcome, Ken. AMC's dead. Alfie. Again, I'm going to be patient in Alfie and wait till 1050. All right, if we hold 1050, I think it's fine. GameStop would have been beautiful down there. We're just running out of volume now. I hear you, Andrew. All right, let's talk about a couple of things before we get out of here. Let's talk about what Hungary just said. Do you think Wish will go up? All right. The way I trade is I don't think and I don't hope. I try to think as little as possible, right? So everything we do here is based on technical analysis. So what I'm looking at in Wish is if it gets down to 1205, I think there's about a 90% chance that it's going to go up from there. And otherwise, it's kind of just sitting doing nothing. So, Clove was a nice trend trade, right? So you just took, and I'll tell you why we did Clove, because it hit our trend line, right? So it hit our trend line at $12.95. You just took 20 cents out of it. All right, it's a $12 stock. 20 cents is fine. You bring your stop up to break even now. It's getting towards no volume in anything, and that's it. It just is what it is right now. John took 30 cents out of Clove. There you go, in a $12 stock. 30 cents. What the hell's wrong with that? Right? AMC. Don hit his daily goal on Clove. Do you see AMC to go higher than 58.40? That's where I got stuck yesterday. Again, I don't know. Depends on what everybody sold the Clove. All right, good, guys. You got 20, 25 cents in Clove. That's fine. Good job, Don. Get out of here. So what I'm hearing from a lot of my people, guys, is they hit their goal for the day and they're leaving. That's it. Goodbye. I like a double bottom in AMC if we can break down from here. Otherwise, I don't see much to do. GameStop. All right. Man, GameStop right here. If you got 217, give it $1 stop and see if you get a bounce. We would just had an order there, right? Anyone get GameStop at 217? Put a little bit out to sell at like 217.90. Okay, you got to be fast in these things. We just want to trade. Sell some at 217.90. And then see what the next move is. Bring your stop up to break even. And it just traded at 90. Boom. So that was a trade off our VWAP. Now, I don't know if we're going to get bigger bounce from here, but you sold half of it for a 90-cent profit. There you go. Boom. And see what the next move is. Just have a break-even stop now, though. See if the market's turning down a little bit here. And the next spot we got in GameStop is 213, which we're going to put out. I like that for everybody. Still hasn't broken here, but let's see what happens. Still hanging. I think you can get 218.50, 219 on a bounce. You seem like a regular guy, just who's been where we are, and you honestly want the help. Not like those profiters on charging you ridiculous money for all costs. I hear you, Tom. Look, when we start talking about my stuff, it's not that cheap, but there's different things that I can offer you. The course that we do, which is spectacular, at Wall Street Global Trading Academy, is only $399, and I mentor you every Thursday night forever once you purchase that course. So that's great. My room is a different story. My room is more expensive because I'm with my guys for 140 hours a week, a month. That's different. Alf bounced. But the course is spectacular, and we do mentorship every Thursday night. Actually, that's going to be tomorrow night now. All right, GameStop, you should have got out, break even. Yeah, the course is spectacular. I'll show you guys in a couple of minutes before we get out of here. I'm going to invite everybody who's here to come hang out in my room for free for the next 3 days. Kenny. DM. DM, the whole move's 30 cents. You looked at the 30-minute. 9:15, 65, and 200, Muhammad. 9:15, 65, and 200. 9:15, 65, and 200. Yeah, I mean, Alf bounced off the 9. That was very nice. And again, Clove gave you a great trade, right? You shouldn't have been out of all your clove. You know, now you got a 40-cent trade. All right, cancel GameStop. That's not happening. Nah. How short is your watch list of stocks? That's a great question. We want to be where the action is, Dave. That's the bottom line. I want to be where the action is, and we find it. You know, it wasn't hard to find the action today. DDDD is not a short, guys. It's just a buy on a pullback. Yeah, it's a buy. Bitcoin bouncing. Yep, Bitcoin's trying to go here, guys. You're getting a little bounce on all these things. DDDs, I don't know. It's $1.20 away. If DDD gets to 37, I'd start looking. Fall from moving average. Otherwise, it's not stretched that much. GameStop, we like that 213, but I don't think that's going to happen. You know what? Let's put it out. You don't know with this thing. Could spike down to 213. 213.10, so we don't miss it. It was a good morning. I might be liking this day trading stuff. Look, it's completely different, right? This is what I do in my room. I have 120 people in my room that I trade with every single day. And net, we make a couple of bucks on balance. Some people are trading 20 shares and some people are trading 5,000 every time we do a trade. About 50% of the people in my room, this is all they do. They do this. That's how they make their living. I get absolutely beginners who have never traded before that hang out with me, and we teach them how to do everything from scratch. And I got experienced people who have been doing nothing but lose money. And we turn that around from them. I'm in SI small green. I'm in SI small green. You're in SI short? I like it if you're short. Nah, plug's dead. No super. My room is $500 a month. And that includes a live boot camp every month in which I teach my entire course live. Yeah. David is here almost every day, but he won't be next week. Oh, okay. I guess I won't be there next week. Sean, you all are Cancer. I don't know what that means. I'm a Libra. So I don't know what you're talking about, Cancer. I'm a Libra. Yeah, Alpha's still a buy on a pullback. Okay, Webb. Nah, stay away from Clove now, guys. Clove's done. Yeah, Alpha was the one again. Oh, look. Alf, let's get back out there, right? 1110 and 1070. ALF. 1110. Do it. 1110. All right, first things first. No, my boot camp isn't here. Oh, yeah. You're right, Mohammed. You are right. You are right. I still might be able to do the openings, though. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. All right, GameStop, guys. Going to give GameStop another minute here, see if we can get $1. Do you do any swing trades? Yes, we do swing trading. We did one last night. ASAN. Everybody in the room was short this at $60 last night. I mean, we meant to hold on to it for a few days, but we got $3 or $4 out of the trade overnight. So we do swing trades. The answer to your question is yes. Yes. Thought on VWAP as a strategy. When it lines up, we're going to use VWAP just like we would a regular moving average trade. 1220 Clove is good, guys. Yes, I like Clove at 1220. 1220, Lou, you can come up a little bit. What's Alf doing? Cancel GameStop. Taking forever. It's not going to happen. Alf, 11.10 is still good. I mean, 12.20, you could be all over clove, with some size, especially if it holds it. I like that. Benzinga is not a trading platform, guys. Benzinga is just the greatest news service and used to put scans in. They're not a trading platform, but everybody should be signed up to Benzinga Pro. I mean, you should. I can't trade without it. One great news story in Benzinga, and you're done. Pays for the entire thing. Yeah, no orders at the moment, guys and gals. I just don't see anything to do right now. Not seeing it. Let's relax for a couple minutes. Should we wrap up Mara here? Maybe we should just wrap up Mara. Down $3.60. Oh, you got to be kidding me. I mean, I just canceled it. It exactly hit 213 in GameStop. I don't know how much traded there, but look at this, guys and gals. Did anyone get any? I don't know if that much volume traded there. But look at GameStop, guys. I just canceled it. Nobody else in the room canceled it. It hit 213, and they just got $1 out of it. Williams, you got it at 213? Nice job. I did too, Ken. I mean, I was literally looking at it 10 seconds ago. I said, there's no way that's going to happen. Good, guys. Take your $1.50 profit. That's it. Look at this, guys. GameStop. Sold right here, guys. 214.50, 215. Sold. There you go. I know, but no. It bounced a little first. Listen, guys, it's not about me. It's about the guys in the room. A lot of people got that trade. I love it. Benzinga got that trade. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Kaylee got the trade. There you go. Nice $2 without blinking. Not too shabby. MOXC. Wow. What the hell's an MOXC? I have no idea. Clove. $12.20 clove. Let's put it out. $12.20. CLOV. $12.20. We like us some clove. If it holds there, we can be aggressive for 20 to 50-cent trade. And remember I told you guys, sometimes these things just spend the rest of the day puking out and going down. So we got to be careful. Buy Palantir. No, thank you. I don't see any reason to be buying Palantir. Again, let's explain something to everybody that's just joining us from Benzinga. All right, nothing that we do here is long-term. We'll do an occasional swing trade. But otherwise, we're just looking to trade. Okay? I mean, I can tell you right now, guys and gals, over $20,000 was just made in my room in GameStop. Buying 213 and selling 214.50. Some people buy 100 shares. Some people buy 1,000 shares. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. AMC, maybe we get a double bottom. I doubt it. Fubo. Nah, I don't like Fubo. 31.40 Fubo is good, right? So every time we put up a stock, guys, for those of you who are just joining us, I put up a stock, and I'm looking where my trading opportunities are based on my technical analysis, right? So Fubo, I got my 200 EMA at 31.40. There's a tremendous chance that stock is going to bounce off there if we go down to that level. And everything we do is just based on our lines on our charts, to put it as simply as I can. UONA is not a trade. No. So when we're looking at GameStop, right, we teach you in our course and in my boot camp, look what happened the first time GameStop hit our 200 EMA this morning. That was at $209, right? Somebody got that trade and made $10 on it. I would look for a double bottom now in GameStop, because if it breaks here, it's probably going back down to the low, which is 209.50. So no trades right now. Every time we put up a stock, all I'm looking at is where's my opportunity. That's it. Yeah, I mean, again, DDD's a better buy. Buy on a pullback. It's a nice trend trade. So this is a trend trade. I want to buy a stock when it pulls back to my trend lines. Yeah, Clover's not going to happen at 12:20. Just like I said, GameStop wasn't going to happen, and it happened 2 minutes later. Right? Anyone still in Alf? Bitcoin's back above 30,000. All right, let's wrap up on Marriott. Got a small in it. We're making $1.20 on our last Marriott from 26. It's fine. We had a nice long trend trade in that. Splunk. Splunk's been nothing but a buy all day. Yep. Yeah, Julian, we wrapped up the Marriott. We'll see what the next move is. It's fine. Short Roku. I don't know, maybe 400. We've been talking about Roku hitting 400 all day, right? 400. GameStop, 65 EMA is what it bounced off the first time for a nice trade. Clove. All right, let's look at Clove. All right, let's put it back out at 12:20, Clove. I like it. If it holds, we can size up a little bit. Yes, I'm putting it back out. GameStop, I would look for a double bottom now, and nothing until then. Mr. Plugman, dead, but holding the trend. DDD, well, the trend is what? 34.70 and 33.85. So 34.70, very small in DDD. Yes. But do it small because there's a dollar gap between the 9 and the 15. All right, Pete? Peloton. Peloton's all right. I don't see a great trade. It's kind of just hanging here doing nothing. I don't like it either. What don't you like? Which one? Buffalo. WWE. Yeah, it spiked up, spiked down. I don't see anything to do. Crowd's a trend trade to the upside. Yes, it is. All right, guys and gals, I'm going to get kicked out of here shortly. So let me briefly show you, first of all, okay, without trying to sell anybody anything, come into my room. You'll have the rest of today, tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday. Just go to greenroom-live.com, okay, greenroom-live.com, and hit the Zoom button, and you'll be in the room in 5 minutes. So greenroom-live.com. Come visit me in a room for the next 3 days. That's number one. greenroom-live.com. All right. Anyone can come in. You can come in right now if you want. You'll have the rest of the week with me. If anyone's interested in purchasing our course, which comes with continued mentorship forever, that is wallstreetglobaltradingacademy.com, which they also posted for us. This, if you've never traded before, you'll be able to trade after taking this course. It is unbelievable. It's over 6 hours. It starts from the very beginning, very basics of trading, 6 hours worth of material. And once you sign up, okay, for our course, we are going to mentor you every week live. So once you sign up, you get into your members area. Look how cool this course is. It's insane. This is the best thing I've ever done course-wise. And we start from the very beginning. Stock market basics, language of the stock market, your different trading accounts, money management, which is the most important part of trading, setting up your charts, our trading techniques, swing trading, options trading, Bitcoin, Q&A archive. So what happens here, guys, is we get together every Thursday night, okay? Every Thursday night and we'd get together for like an hour and a half, and we archive it. So this is 2 Thursdays ago. This is last Thursday. When you click on this, you're going to get, if you missed the meeting, you're going to get the whole meeting. And this is the Zoom link where we do, anyone who buys today, okay? Anyone who buys today, you're going to see me tomorrow night. And we're going to go over and do your mentorship forever. So if you go to WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com, and it's on sale for my Benzinga people, from $500 to $400. All you got to do is hit enroll now at WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com, and you fill it out. And boom, 20% off compliments of Benzinga. So you're only paying $3.99, and you're getting me forever. Every Thursday night, except tomorrow it's going to be Wednesday night. So anyone who buys this right now, you're going to see me tomorrow night. Okay, that's Wall Street Global Trading Academy. Yes, please join our Facebook group. That doesn't cost anything. That does not cost anything to be in our Facebook group. That is Wall Street Global Trading Academy at Facebook. And last but not least, guys, come on into the room at greenroom-live.com. And before I go, Riot. Riot could be a short at 30. I had 5 days as well a couple of weeks ago. I understand that these weeks play a lot of money to people. Yes, thank you very much, Mark. I appreciate it. Yeah, if you guys have had your trial, okay, and you don't choose to go forward with us, then, yeah, don't take advantage of my good nature. What I'm doing for everybody also is, especially you guys are here, if you just do my room sign up for $500, I'm going to give you the boot camp included in that every single month. So, but again, if your time is up, your time is up, and I appreciate it. Now, last thing I want to talk about, because I'm sure Aaron's going to kick me out of here soon, is Benzinga. Okay? You have to know what's going on in this world in order to be able to trade. It's that simple. And Benzinga is the way to get it. Yeah, let's short a little Mara at 26.08, guys. Get back into trend trade. We covered that nicely. So 26.08. 26.08. We will short a little Mara. That's a regular moving average trade. Alf just popped the 9 and gave an entry. Ooh, let's look. Yeah, all right. Yeah, it did. 1150, 1160. You're welcome, Mark. The boot camp, if you're in my room right now, I'll talk about the boot camp in a little bit. All right, Paul? Yeah. When we finish with Benzinga, we'll talk about the boot camp when you're in the room, just us. Yeah, you guys understand. You know, I have 115 people in the room. You know, most of them are paying except for the visitors. So there you go, Benzinga, guys. Free 2-week trial. No credit card. If you guys don't sign up for Benzinga and you're actively trading, you're whack. All right, GameStop, guys. Double bottom, 209.17. I love it. GameStop. Yeah, we're going to do a double bottom, 209.20, so we don't miss it by a penny. Again, getting back to Benzinga, guys. You know, you got to have that if you're actively trading. Plug power, up 80 cents on plug. Oh, nice. Excellent, guys. Well, it seems like it was a very good morning for everybody. That's what we like to see. All right, we got a double bottom out in that. We got an order to short Mara. We got an order to buy Clove. That's not going to happen. Let's cancel that for now. GameStop. All right, let's see what GameStop. Let's see what GameStop. Yeah, I'll probably be okay doing next week, Muhammad, because even though I have my boot camp, we're trading for the first hour and a half anyway. So we'll talk, but I'm pretty sure I can be here anyway. There he is. I know it's my time.
I was talking, but I was muted. I was just saying I love to hear that you'll be able to do it next week as well.
Yeah, I should be able to. We'll talk, but I don't see why I wouldn't. Mara, how much on Mara? Hold on. Mara, we're going to short the trend, Paul. You know, how much you do is based on your trading account. I mean, we just covered that $1 lower. Great job. Okay, Aaron, I know my time is up.
All right, David. Well, enjoy the rest of your day. Great trading this morning. Looking forward to. We'll be back tomorrow morning and then again next week.
Yes, we will. All right, thanks, guys.
If you haven't already, smash that like for David.
All right. Sign up for Benzinga Pro, guys. You cannot trade without that, okay? And I'll see everybody either in my room. I see a bunch of you are coming into the room already, and we'll be back tomorrow morning. Thanks for having me again, Aaron.
Beautiful, of course. All right, enjoy your day, David.